Right, this team's cheated.
Oh, what?
You put it on before it was. Oh, -5 points. So you're going to lose 1 point for that. Oh. So
one at a time. One at a time. That was two. I have evidence of you putting two on at a time.
I mean, as in putting these onto the start line.
Yeah, one at a time onto the start line, please.
Keep them talking. He has a mechanical advantage, probably, hopefully. I pray. Go, go, go.
I thought they were supposed to pick them up to put them onto the start line, not roll them onto the start line.
They are supposed to pick them up and put them on.
Right.
You never said that.
I did.
You never said that.
You said we're not allowed to put them up.
Yeah, you said we've just got to get them on.
You've got to pick them up onto the start line and then push them across.
Right, they're finished.
They're finished.
140.
There's all on the